Welcome everybody to We Are Bitcoin! Today we're gonna talk about RSK. It has been a while since my last report on the state of the network. Something big is happening that needs to be talked about. The original name of the blockchain was RootStock, which got labeled RSK soon after their launch. Now it seems the community wants to reclaim that name. And not only that, with it comes a huge rebranding, which includes a new logo and a new message. And because RootStock, just like Bitcoin, it's nothing more than an open source protocol, nobody really owns it. So it was left up to the community to vote on which direction we should go. Three options were presented to us. Number 1, RootStock, the network that nurtures. This one is set to emphasize community, support, and sustainability. Number 2 was advanced technology for everyday utility. The focus on this one was use cases, applications that solve real problems, and doing DEFI beyond the hype. Finally, we have option number 3. This is my favorite, and to my opinion, the best. And it seems like the entire community felt the same way, since it was this one who got the majority of the votes, and it will become the new branding of RSK, building on Bitcoin. With this new direction, we're gonna double down on what makes RootStock different than all the other smart contract platforms, which is its tight connection with the greatest asset the world has ever seen. How builders can deploy smart contracts, stablecoins, DeFi, and NFTs on the biggest network in the globe, and how the native token of RootStock, the RBTC, is always backed one-to-one with Bitcoin, and one can exchange from one to the other at all times. This makes RootStock the most decentralized, safe, and most difficult to shut down, stop, or censor smart contract platform in the world. There are a number of projects already operating within it, more than $100 million locked in the ecosystem, but we still have a long way to go to make sure that every developer out there know that building on Bitcoin is possible. And with this new branding and direction, I believe we can be much more effective in communicating this and grow the space where we all know it can be. If you are a Bitcoiner like me, if you believe Bitcoin will take over the world, like many of us do, then building the future platforms and adopting all this new technology and bring it all to the larger Bitcoin ecosystem might be interesting to you, especially when we consider all the activity that is happening in the other smart contract platforms, like Ethereum, Solana, and Binance. Imagine if we can get a portion of that activity to be deployed on Bitcoin, with all the fees going to the Bitcoin miners, which will only help in making the network stronger and safer. The result is Bitcoin would also become more valuable itself. And as it does, and its value grows faster than the other tokens, more and more people will seek to build on Bitcoin, creating a self-fulfilling loop. RootStock, at its essence, it's designed to help the world adopt Bitcoin faster, with more opportunities, more jobs, and ultimately more use cases for this amazing, wonderful, incredible asset, and drive all the value back to it. Alright, this has been We Are Bitcoin. Remember to check out our website, wearebitcoin.world. I'm constantly adding new stuff, and information there is always free. You can use it to schedule a one-on-one session with me, to answer questions, give suggestions, or just talk some Bitcoin. Again, it's all for free. We are currently doing giveaways to encourage the use of the Lightning Network, so make sure to leave a comment in this video with something you've learned, something you liked, or something I should improve on. Remember to leave your Lightning wallet so I can send some satoshis your way. I recommend for your browser to use the Albi wallet that you can get on getalbi.com. Links in the description below. This will be an ongoing thing on every single video. as I want the We Are Bitcoin global community to grow with me, because you are a part of this. And as such, if you drive value to the channel will drive value back to you. Alright, thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you all in the next one.